Have you ever considered what our world would look like without plants? A strange thought, isn't it? In fact, it's almost impossible to visualize a planet without a single blade of grass, tree, or flower. But why are these green beings so crucial to our existence? Let's delve into the importance of plants in our ecosystem. First and foremost, plants are the lungs of our planet. Through a process known as photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Picture this: approximately 1/3 of the Earth's land surface is covered by forests, which absorb about 2 billion metric tons of carbon each year. That's equivalent to around 20% of humanity's greenhouse gas emissions. Without plants, the levels of carbon dioxide would skyrocket, causing a drastic increase in global temperatures. Now, let's not forget about the role of plants in the water cycle. They draw up water from the ground and release it into the atmosphere, contributing to rainfall patterns. In fact, around 10% of the moisture in the atmosphere comes from plants. Without them, our world would become a lot drier, and life as we know it would be unimaginably different. Of course, plants don't just serve a functional purpose. They're also a key part of our food chain. They form the base of the pyramid, providing nutrients to the creatures that eat them, which in turn provide nutrients to the animals that eat those creatures, and so on. Without plants, this chain would collapse, leading to a global famine. Furthermore, plants are a source of medicine, providing treatments for a myriad of diseases and conditions. Approximately 70% of the world's most effective drugs are derived from plants. Without them, our health would be severely compromised. So, we've seen that plants are not just decorative elements in our world. They are life-sustaining components of our ecosystem, playing crucial roles in the regulation of our climate, water cycle, food chain, and health. In summary, a world without plants would be a world without life. It would be a place of extreme temperatures, devoid of rainfall, lacking in food, and bereft of many essential medicines. So next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate its silent contribution to your existence. Because without plants, our world would be a vastly different and much less hospitable place. Remember, plants are the lungs of our planet. They regulate our water cycle, they are the base of our food chain, and they provide us with essential medicines. They are, in short, the silent heroes of our world. So here's a thought. Let's not just imagine a world without plants. Instead, let's do everything in our power to protect and preserve the plants we have, for our sake and for the sake of future generations.